Y'all, I hit me a little jackpot. But was it a Dollar Tree? So, I stopped at a combo store that I've never been into before. I don't really have these in my area, but it was a Dollar Tree and Family Dollar like combo store. Like the names were both separate on the outside of the building but next to each other, and it's one entrance into the door. But basically on the side that said Dollar Tree was all Dollar Tree, but then as I was going through the Family Dollar section, there were things that is sold at Dollar Tree, but it wasn't in the Dollar Tree section, and it was more than $1.25. So it was exactly Dollar Tree products that they like merged throughout the rest of the store for a higher price. I don't really know why that was a thing or why it's being done that way. I found that to be very, very tricky, actually. And also this combo store didn't have like the beauty aisle on the Dollar Tree side. It didn't have actually all of the Dollar Tree aisles, if you will. It had like the party section, the 4th of July section. It had like the cards. It had like the school supplies. That was pretty much it. I don't even really think they had like the garage, you know, man tools, all that stuff. And as you can see, the bags say Family Dollar. Also, I'm gonna yeet this off of me because I just wanted to look cute and like have some red pulling from my hat, but my house is boiling. The AC isn't working. It's been 2 weeks. There's sweat on my upper lip and my hair looks... Also, I just noticed one of the bags say Dollar Tree. That is just so interesting. I checked out with everything all at one time. Anyways, I picked up these 4th of July reusable straws. They have these at Dollar Tree, and I got them because I want to make like a 4th of July gift basket kind of thing. So I thought the stars were really cute. I also found some new patches. They have like a cute little candy theme. I have a Candyland junk journal kit and I want to add these as little freebies. Patches are really cute to junk journal with. So I got those. I got a couple of them so I could add them as freebies. Then I found these cute little, like, what are they called? Sensory. It's a fidget pen. So this one has a little red heart. This one came out of its packaging, but it's the pink heart. So I thought those were really cute, top heavy a little bit. So I feel like if you're really going to write with it, I don't know, you might not like it, but as a little novelty and to keep it like in your little stack of pens, this could be really cute. All right, then I picked up some Global Beauty Care masks. So this is a foot mask. This store actually had quite a few masks, I think. Yeah. So I also got this one, also by Global Beauty Care. They are my favorite skincare at Dollar Tree. For me, they just remain #1, but they only slightly beat out Be Pure. So this is a glowing hydrogel face mask. There's a lot of product in here. So I don't know if it's like, yeah, it's one facial treatment. Then I got these two. I like the whole monochromatic look of everything. So like this is all blue and this is all pink. So the blue one's gonna be your hydrating cream mask. It has hyaluronic acid and water lily extract, whatever that is. And then this is a firming mask. It's a sheet mask and it's got peptides and collagen, supposed to tighten, lift, and smooth. So love me some Be Pure. And yeah, here are all the different colors of the masks. So a green, an orange, a blue, and a pink. Love those. Then I have actually had this on my list for a while. I finally found them. Notice the price tag is weird. This could more have fallen on the Dollar or Family Dollar side. This definitely doesn't look like packaging by Dollar Tree. It does say Family Dollar at the bottom. So yeah, but it's a Dollar Tree price to me. So I got it, I actually think I got it in 2 colors. I got it in yellow and green. I have crepe myrtles in this house. Not in it, but you know what I mean. And I love crepe myrtles. They're my favorite, and they need some trimming. They weren't trimmed properly, so I've got to trim off some of like the dead little branches so that it will bloom really nicely. So anyways, finally can check that off my list. Then I picked up, let's see, more masks. Also, was this all one store? Oh no, this was all Dollar Tree. This was a separate store. But this, with the Family Dollar bags, was a combo store. Like, it did have Dollar Tree things in it. So I guess I'm combining 2 different hauls. So I think so far these, the pens, the patches, and these are all from the Dollar Tree side of this combo store. The shears are Dollar General. And then I found these King of Heart cards. They're obviously Dollar Tree. I got 2 of them. They're so beautiful looking. They're actually part of the Father's Day cards. But King of Hearts, that's actually also a Taylor Swift song, which I think is like one of my personal favorites of hers. I'm not like a huge Taylor Swift fan or anything, but I do love that song. And I just really like playing cards in general, and I love the look of them too. So I'm definitely going to junk journal with this. That's why I got 2 of them. I'm being honest, I'm probably going to go back and get more. And then I picked up something I was just shocked to find. I could not believe my eyes that I found this at Dollar Tree. Comment, let me know if the little like baby shower like favors are being sold at your stores, because they're not at mine at all. I haven't seen them in a really long time actually. And these little bears on these picks, I think they're made for like cupcakes, maybe things like that. They're so cute, but I just pluck the pick off and I either use them as charms or I apply them to like hot glue and a little paper clip, and it'll turn out super cute. So I could not believe that I saw these. I thought they've been long gone. Even when I like travel, I look for these and I never see them. They even have like the little rocking horses. Sometimes I think I have found those, but anyways, I also picked up a stapler, little mini stapler and staple set from Dollar Tree. I got it because I need it for my to-go hobby bag. Have you guys heard of a hobby bag? But this one's mine and she's gorgeous. It's not ready for quite the flip through. I'm gonna tell y'all this, but I got it from Temu. One of my favorite things, is like side note, like I don't know why I'm diving off here, but one of my favorite things about it is that it has these like, I think it's on this side because I have a bunch of stuff over here, but they have these like flat folders and I absolutely love it. I think you guys I think some of you bought it too when I first did the haul from Temu. But anyways, I got this so that I could put it in there. I thought a little mini stapler would fit perfectly in there. Okay. Then as I was checking out, I really don't know how to feel about this. I feel very, very bitter, but I had to get a bunch of them. And it was actually almost sold out, but that is, what you're looking at is a nightmare. You're looking at a nightmare. I'm a huge NBA fan. Actually, strike that. I'm a huge Mavs fan, but after Nico Harris, I really don't know how to talk about it. But you can't tell me that they did this man so dirty. But I got it because I don't ever think we're ever going to see him in a Mavs uniform ever again, unless something happens later on down the line. Like I keep imagining that, but he's on the Lakers now. And I fully believe there's a conspiracy out there that this was all done on purpose, which is why like the Mavs won the lottery. If you know, you know, but they brought him in to be the new face of the Lakers after LeBron retires. And that's why the Mavs have the #1 draft pick from the lottery. But anyways, I'm not going to dive into all that. I just got these cards because I thought, I don't know, they might be worth something one day. So I do want to open up a pack. I want to see if my favorite player, Kyrie Irving, is in here, but I don't know. Anyways, I'm going to be on the lookout for more of these cards. So I did get those. Now, the rest of these things I've never seen at Dollar Tree, so I want to say they're leaning more Family Dollar, but the prices were $1.25 for them as well. Starting off with the cutest little disco ball tumblers in red, white, and blue. So it's obviously patriotic. I love them. They also light up, which I think is really cool. So you just like pull the bottom and then it lights up. I think that's super fun. Is it BPA free? That's the question. Hand wash only, not for hot liquid, and it does not say that it's BPA free. So that is something to think about. I'm just gonna show you guys what all of these look like when they're flashing. So I bet at night, 4th of July, I don't know, are you on the lake? Are you just outside in your backyard? Or are you inside, wherever? With a drink, this could actually be really cute. I like the light up feature. And then at checkout, I actually saw these little boxes of Werthers. And you know, the first thing I thought of was junk journaling. I thought the little box was oh so adorable. So I got it. And it pops open almost kind of like a box of cigarettes or a pack of cigarettes. Back to tumblers. Listen, I know that the ice cream cones are back at Dollar Tree. I also know they have like a little camera like looking tumbler thing at Dollar Tree. I have yet to find those, but I found these. So I do believe these are Family Dollar. So if you're gonna go on the hunt for them, go to that store if you don't have a combo store like I just went to. But $1.25 for all of these as well, and the little ice cream cones are so freaking cute. And in red, white, and blue, I actually preferred this color palette to the ones that Dollar Tree is putting out. Dollar Tree is doing more like the pastels, like the pink and the green, yellow, I think. But I'm loving the USA colors. So, and then you could also use it as a gift box and like fill it with little paper shred and like maybe a little gift card or something, little candies. I think that would be really cute too. But it is a drink, just so that you know, it's like, you know, you drink out of. So I love those. Then I found these little loofahs that are like little citrus fruits. So I found the lemon. This is an orange. And then I think this is an apple. But I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think that's what it is? That's just what I assumed that they were. So these were a really great find too. But they are Family Dollar, I think. Actually, hang on. It says Chesapeake, Virginia, which I think is kind of like where Dollar Tree's thing is, but anyways. Then I found some hand sanitizers, but they're Family Dollar. So these were the 3 that I found. I do think these rang up like $2-ish. So just know that I do not think they rang up $1.25 at all, but I thought it was very exciting to find the Touchland Dupe sanitizers. Anytime you find it for $1 to $2, even up to $4, like Five Below, I think Walmart's is like $2 range. That is such a great price because Touchland, theirs are like, how much are theirs? Like $20 for one. Okay, that's why it's such a big deal. That's why these sell out so fast. So this one is a fruity scent. As you can see, it's got the little strawberries. Love that one. This one is a vanilla scented. I will say some of the scents that I've gotten from Dollar Tree, I don't think they're as good as they could be. This one's an aloe. But yeah, got to run to Family Dollar for these. I think such a great pickup. And now I'm gonna go ahead and include this separate little Dollar Tree. Yeah, this one was $21.25. I picked up more masks. So I got the little lime and mint masks, which I've hauled last week for the first time, but then this store had the strawberry and I flipped out. I had no idea that strawberry was out there. And then they also have passion fruit. I'm so here for this packaging. This is so chic to me. Of course, it's done by Be Pure, and I love it. It's just giving Ulta, Sephora, Target. Does not look like Dollar Tree. Like, do people that frequent these stores, do they know this is at Dollar Tree? Because it's crazy. And then this store had more of these strawberry ones, so I had to pick these up because I love those. I actually got a total of 4 of them. So a big bulk of my receipt were the masks. Another one of these patches, and then I picked up an Oral-B toothbrush. This definitely just stuck out as new to me, and this is a big brand. I always love finding big brand names at Dollar Tree. I mean, toothbrushes are relatively cheap anyways. Let's not, like, you know, skyrocket off of this, but it's a good find. And then I picked up these little hair clips. They are so cute. I love them. I'm gonna use them as little paper clips in my junk journal. So, but I also may wear them in my hair. I think they're really sweet and pretty. So I gotta find a way to, like, wear this. I actually saw a girl who, like, pinned a little bow to her hat right here, and I thought that was cute too. I may not do that but it was a cute idea. And then I got the little shells, also again for my junk journal. I thought that would be cute for, like, a little summer theme. And then I picked up this Global Beauty Care Pore Purifying and Exfoliating Cleansing Balm. I don't know that I have ever seen a cleansing balm at Dollar Tree. Have I? Have you? Comment and let me know, because I don't even have scissors up here. I feel like I'm gonna destroy the box. But I gotta open this. I wanna see what this looks like. I've probably already hauled this and don't know it. Now, I will say the box on these Global Beauty Care is more exciting than the packaging. Like, when you, I don't know what this is. It could be a little bit better. It's kind of a letdown. Like, you see this beautiful packaging, then you open it and you're like, oh, you know, it's not quite, but there's the balm in there. And I like the size. It's great for traveling. So there's that. It's 1.7 ounces. But that's it. That is my haul for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, I've never been into a combo store like that before, so it was very interesting. I wish I would have turned the camera on, because my mouth was like this the whole time. I was like, so many things they had throughout that store that was exactly Dollar Tree. It was Global Beauty Care, it was all the brands, it was personal care, but they were in the Family Dollar section going for like $2 to $5. And I was just like, what? No, this is at Dollar Tree for $1.25. And the fact that Dollar Tree is literally in the same, y'all are sharing the same store space, why aren't these things over there? I found that to be, I don't know. I found that to be kind of like oddly sneaky or something. I don't know. I don't know how to feel about it. Let me know what you guys think about it. This was my first time in a store like this, and I felt kind of duped. I was like, I'm not gonna buy this here, because I know it's $1.25 at a Dollar Tree. So I refused to do it. But anyways, that's it. That was my first ever Family Dollar Tree combo store experience. If you want more of these, comment, let me know, and I will see you guys hopefully tomorrow. Bye.